And it was up here. Oh my gosh, that was such an intense game.
So you're the guys in charge, right? No?
Many and less are in charge.
We'll check in with them too.
I was screaming and howling and couldn't hear myself scream or holler.
Hey guys. Adam's eating fine. Good.
I'm surprised it didn't move a little bit.
I only got what's left of the coffee.
Okay, good.
What do you got to say? Good? Everything's good?
Everything's good. Right. Bernie's, he's perfect. He says it. He loves it.
Awesome.
You were skeptical, weren't you?
That's perfect.
No, it worked out good.
Right on 15 minutes, that one was.
Oh, it's the bag.
Smile.
Then don't do it.
That's what they say. It's really cool.
Quite a feast. What do you think, Eric?
Good.
Doing great?
Yeah.
Awesome.